AC Repair in Orange Park, Florida is a crucial service for residents in the area who rely on their air conditioning units to keep their homes comfortable in the hot Florida climate. This video provides valuable information on the importance of regular maintenance and repairs for AC units to ensure they are running efficiently and effectively. Regular maintenance of AC units can help prevent costly repairs in the future by identifying and fixing any issues early on. Additionally, a well-maintained AC unit can help improve indoor air quality and reduce energy costs. This video emphasizes the importance of hiring a professional HVAC technician to perform regular maintenance and repairs to ensure the longevity of the AC unit. Bold City Heating and Air, a trusted HVAC company based in Jacksonville, Florida, offers a wide range of services to help residents in Orange Park with their AC repair needs. Whether it's a simple tune-up or a major repair, Bold City Heating and Air has the expertise and experience to get the job done efficiently and effectively. Their team of skilled technicians can diagnose and fix any issues with AC units to ensure optimal performance and comfort for residents in Orange Park. By working with Bold City Heating and Air, residents in Orange Park can rest assured knowing that their AC repair needs are in good hands. With their commitment to customer satisfaction and quality service, Bold City Heating and Air is a reliable choice for all HVAC needs in the Jacksonville area. Whether it's a minor repair or a major overhaul, Bold City Heating and Air is dedicated to providing top-notch service to keep residents cool and comfortable year-round.